Hello friends. When the concept of funnel arises or marketing arises, the people think that the concept of funnel and arriving the traffic is just a digital marketing. But digital marketing is not just arriving the traffic and convert them and just making the money, but it's the part of the complete sales funnel. When the person reach out to you and want to take more services, it's the part of sales funnel. It's about serving, it's not about just selling your product and making more money. Yes, it's about money, making money, but it's not only about making money. Why the funnel have been arises in the market and how it's working. Let's go in deep in the deep dive of funnel. When we consider the funnel are not only depends on to making money, getting the new people in your business. It's about making the people aware about your business, how it work, how you can help them just for the free. When we at the top of funnel, we make the people aware about our funnel. We give them something for free. We give them some webinar, some small product for the free to get them aware about our business, because this is adding value to them, also making aware about our business, right? When there is next step, we uh, we serve, we want to serve them more on next level, and then we get them to buy our upsell or any product. And why this concept has been arises to sell them more product and get them at the bottom of the funnel from the top of, from the cold customers to hot customers. Why this concept has been arises, let me share you the value ladder. When the person is at the bottom of the funnel, he is not aware about our product. We offer them some solution just for free or at a lower price, that $7 to $10 or $8 to $9, right? And we offer them a solution, and then we get them the people who like our solution. They want to get more solutions from us and bigger solution, and want to get added more valuable solution to their life, right? And then they choose us to get more value from us. They pay us more value, right? As the value increases, the price increases, right? That's why this concept of value ladder has been arises. Let me show you one example how the value ladder of dentist has been arises. When we give teeth cleaning, suppose for the free, the person visit our dentist shop, a dentist clinic, and then he know about our services, right? And then we offer him, and then dentist tell them him that there is a problem in your teeth, that your teeth are getting yellowish, you how to do whitening. And the person, if he is aware about his health, he will do whitening, and that's the part of the sales funnel, right? And then he give, he take more services, and this is benefiting for that person and also for that dentist. Then he offer him a retainer, he offer him a cosmetics, and he earn more, he gets more value, customer get more value, and the dentist get more price, right? And this is the value ladder of person. And this is arises, the sales funnel is just not a part of having the making more money, but it's the part of making more value in person or customer. How the sales funnel of that iPad or iPhone is there. They first sell the iPod, then they sell the watch, then they sell the iPhone, then iPad, MacBook, and iMac and Mac. That's how they are adding the value to person. Why, if the people like their iPod, why they will not buy some more services from that same people? Because they are liking the same services, they are liking the same company. That's why they are getting more services from that person, right? And this is how sales funnel have been created. And as I am relating that, when the person is at the top of funnel, he is getting something for free in initial offer. Then we are offering some initial solution which is at a lower cost, and we are solving small problem. When there is a main offer, we are offering, we are solving their main some more problems. And when there is a premium offer, we are solving their huge problem. And that's why the funnel has been constructed. And this is not all about the selling, it's about adding more value. And thank you so much for viewing this blog and watching this post and video. Thank you so much.